This is the roof of North Khorasan, mighty Shah Jahan Peak. But the story behind its name is not just about rocks and height. It's a tale lost in time. Some locals believe that nearly 300 years ago, a powerful female ruler named Shah Jahan governed this region. When she passed away, they buried her in the highest place of her land, this very summit. These massive stone circles around the peak, they weren't built for decoration. They were strongholds, shelters for warriors escaping enemy invasion, including the Russians. A fortress carved into the sky. Today we stand here, breathing the same wind, watching the same horizon that once belonged to a queen.
Shah Jahan Peak, with an elevation of 3,085 meters, is the highest peak in North Khorasan province. This peak, along with several other nearby peaks, is part of the Al-Adag mountain range located to the east of Esfahan city. The mountain range extends northward towards the Shirin region, eastward towards the Kuchin area, and southward toward the northern parts of 𝒊𝒍𝒍 county. The 17-member team started their ascent at 7:30 a.m. from Nod Dabam after completing initial preparations. The beginning of the route was a moderate incline, and the group followed the lead climber and the guide.
After several hours of climbing and passing through steeper and rockier sections, the team reached the summit at 1 p.m. From the top, the climbers enjoyed expansive views of the surrounding valleys, nearby peaks, and the pristine landscape of North Khorasan.
Following a brief rest and a chance to take in the views, the team began descending at 3 p.m. The descent took around 2 hours, and the program concluded at 5 p.m. If this story moved you, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. There's more to every mountain than just the climb.